Steubenville sits along the Ohio River, a city with a rich past and a reputation for resilience. Known historically for steel mills, and more recently, murals, like those celebrating hometown local Dean Martin, the legendary singer and entertainer, and even Abraham Lincoln's visit during the Civil War. Steubenville now draws visitors for something entirely different, a holiday tradition that has reshaped its downtown. We are in Steubenville, Ohio, home of America's Nutcracker Christmas Market. Founded in the late 18th century, Steubenville has deep historical roots. In recent decades, factory closures left downtown quiet. That changed about 10 years ago when a holiday festival was launched to revitalize the city.
The mayor floated the idea of creating some type of festivities downtown during Christmas to put us on the map, and upwards of 50 to 100,000 people from all 48 contiguous states, as well as at least 6 or 7 different countries around the world, come just for this 6-week season.
This is a book about the Steubenville Nutcracker Village. But they're not just coming to a typical Christmas market. During the holiday season, more than 200 life-size nutcrackers line the streets of Steubenville, especially along Fort Street. These aren't shelf-sized soldiers. They're towering tributes to storybook characters. Pop culture icons like Dean Martin's Rat Pack performers, Ohio-born astronaut John Glenn, along with representations from every branch of the military. Some point to the town's past and current heritage. There are nutcrackers for sports teams. Local businesses and groups sponsor the nutcrackers, so it seems the whole community is in on the fun. Each figure is handcrafted by the local Nelson family, with other families pitching in as the years go by.
It's a family project. All the kids are very involved. My son-in-law, Brody, he actually does all the carving of the nutcrackers. And my daughters do all the painting. My daughter, Madeline, does all the design work, all the graphic design. My wife does all the hair, all the sewing. We like Christmas.
We came in on a Sunday. Apparently the bigger days, more festive days are Fridays and Saturdays. So is it worth it to come even though there's no concerts or anything? Yeah, especially if you're in the area. It's a really unique way to celebrate the holidays. Even on quieter days, the village offers charm. From trees thoughtfully decorated by groups in the community, a mailbox to Santa, a miniature train circling a tree. But there's no question that the nutcrackers, tall enough to pose with, are the real draw here. Follow yellow the road. Follow, 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 follow the yellow brick road. And if it's a little too cold outside, duck into this one building, where you'll see almost 400 nativity scenes from around the world. It's a global snapshot of Christmas traditions. It's funny, here's the modern version. Joseph is doing a selfie with the baby Jesus and Mary. And if walking around makes you a little thirsty, I'd like 2 commemorative mugs, okay. One filled with Glühwein and one with Kinder Punch. Oh, I'm sure. Thank you. Gotta have some Glühwein. The holiday market at Fort Steuben adds crafts and warm drinks, set against the backdrop of the town's historic fort. While we weren't here for it on this trip, there's a lantern parade that marches down the center of town, bringing families in for music and light snow that adds to the magic. It's a single highlight event, not something that happens every weekend, but it captures the spirit of the celebration. And be on the lookout, you just might see Father Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
If you come to this Christmas market or Christmas village, make sure you come at night too, or instead of, because the village transforms at night and there's a little surprise for you if you come at this time of the day. Oh my goodness, look! It's a hayride. Come between Friday and Sunday and you just may catch the hayride. You know that saying, the best things in life are free?
This is the fastest tractor ride in Steubenville.
Okay. Well, in this case, One of the best things of this Christmas village is the hayride, and it is free. Even though it can be a little chilly at night, it's definitely one of the best ways to see the village all lit up. While it is free, they gladly accept donations. The money goes to help restore Steubenville's last remaining theater, the Grand Theater, a 19th century landmark once home to vaudeville acts and community gatherings. From nutcrackers to mulled wine, Steubenville is proof positive that even small towns can deliver Christmas magic. Thanks for joining me on Mary Goes Round the World. Here's my tip of the week for you. If you're planning a visit, check the schedule before you come. Saturdays are pedestrian only, often featuring concerts and parades. Weekdays are quieter, but the featured attractions, the Nutcrackers, are still here. Either way, knowing the schedule helps you make the most of Steubenville's Nutcracker Village.